Hello and welcome to this checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by John Lenau in 1877. Black has the king, 2 pawns, the bishop and a knight. White has the king, bishop, pair of rooks, pawn, knight and queen. White's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? Checking the king by moving the queen to f8 only gets you a checkmate in 3, not 2. Unless the king takes the rook, then you can checkmate in 2, but if the king moves to g5, and then check with the knight, forcing the king to h5, and then only checkmating in 3 and not 2 with the queen. Moving the queen to h8 is only a checkmate in 3, unless the king moves to g5, in which case you can checkmate in 2 with the knight, but the king can move to f7, and then moving the bishop, but the king has an escape square, and you can finally only checkmate in 3 with the queen to d8. Moving the knight to c6 only gets you a checkmate in 3. If the king moves to f7, you can check again with the knight. If the king moves to the back rank, you can checkmate in 3 with the rook. Moving the rook to e8 doesn't get you a mate in 2. If black moves their knight, you can then check the king with the queen. If the king moves to f7, you can then mate in 3 with the bishop. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move the knight to e6. The king moves to f7, you can checkmate in 2 with the queen to f8 move. It's obviously exactly the same if the king moves to e7, you can again checkmate with the queen to f8. And if black tries to do something like move their bishop, then you can move the queen to g7 to checkmate in 2. That's the end of this video. Please subscribe to not miss out on future chess puzzles, and I'll see you again soon.